Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for stopping by. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for joining me again for another video. First of all, before I start this video, I would like to say thank you very much for following me, for commenting me, and sending me private messages on Instagram, and also of course for subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much for my first 100 subscribers. My very personal shout out is to Miss Potato 1504. Thank you. You are my 100 subscribers. And also a thank you to, I'm not sure, I'm very sorry if I pronounce it wrong, but it says Nightcherry Eliza or Elizzy. I'm so sorry. I think you know you are because you commented and texted me. So thank you also for being my 101 subscribers. So let's just start and get into this new video. Anyway, a few weeks ago, some of you asked me through Instagram if I could show how you do hair porosity test. Since you guys asked me if I could show how I do my hair porosity, so I'm gonna show you one way, the way I found out my porosity. This is the quickest and fastest way to find it out. And one other thing before I started I wanted to measure is that, like, for me, when I go into the shower, it takes forever for my hair to just soak the water. Like, just start letting the water run into my hair. It takes like forever. The first 5 minutes the water is just like running through and just falling down. Nothing, it doesn't even stays in my hair until like maybe after 5, 10, 15 minutes, then it start getting heavier. That's how I feel like, okay, the water is actually getting into my hair. But the easiest way for me to do, for you guys to see, was the water test. Like, you basically just need a room temperature water, and your hair. So what this means is, like, I've already prepared it. You need a bowl of water, your hair, like just take some out or whatever, or you cannot actually take already the hair that you have in your brush. Make sure you are the only person using that hairbrush. So all you need is just like place the water somewhere, like on the table or wherever. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can actually see it. Well, let me first explain it so you can later you can watch it. So you could just gonna take like a few out of your hair, in order for you to see, because I believe most people have different porosity all over the head. God, look at that big giant forehead. It's not even a forehead. Look at that. It's a 5 or 6 head, 7 head. So you need hair, your own hair. I'm just gonna grab into my hair. Let's take one from the back. Just try to pick one out. Nope. Few hair. Just first gonna put them here, so that later I can put them in the water. We're gonna take a few from the front. Ouch. Ow. Okay, I have like 4 or 5 different. I think I haven't picked from this side yet. Ouch. So one more. Here we go. So all you have to do is just to place the hair on top of the water. Let the water sit for 5 to 10 minutes and come back and see what has happened. If the hair is flowing on top, that means you have a low porosity hair. Does it sink automatically way down to the bottom of the bowl or to the cup or whatever? That means you have a high porosity hair. But is the hair floating in the middle, like in the middle of the part? That means you have a normal porosity hair. So I'm just gonna put this all the hair that I took out before into the bowl, and then I'll heat over to do my eyebrows. I I just woke up before and I haven't done my eyebrows yet, and put some makeup on because I will be going out later, and then I will come back and show you guys what happened. So let's do that. So just to quickly show you that I just put the hair inside the bowl. There they are right now. Please recycle on top of the water, and then later we see if it sinks down or floating in the middle or it stays on top. So see you in 5 minutes. So let me first do this. Oh no, what happened to the camera? Okay, I'm done. I just finished doing my eyebrows and putting some mascara. That's all I did. So let's see what happened to the hair. Let me just quickly put back the bowl here and turn the camera so you guys can actually see it. So here we are. I'm sorry the lighting is not, of course, not the best. You can see the hair. Of course it's not focusing. Oh, there it is. The hair is still on top. They were all before, like all over the water, but they found their way together to one spot. Not sure why that happened, but it's still on the top. It didn't really sink down. Look at that. Let's see from top again. Look, it's still floating on top. Oh yeah, that was actually, it's not that hard. So simple, way easier than you think. That was for this video. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you're interested in seeing others of my videos, I recently just uploaded how I do box braid myself in part 1 and part 2. You can check those out. I will put the link below. Hopefully you tune in next time again. Okay, that's it, I think. I have to go to the grocery store and get some food because today I'm gonna make some pasta with tuna fish, I think. Can't wait. Bye.